Hello, welcome to the Novo Connect Extend Screen Feature tutorial video. In a fast-paced work environment, employees often seek methods for increasing their productivity. One way to do this is through the Extend Screen option on your computing device. As a matter of fact, some studies show there is an increase in productivity of up to 42% when using a secondary screen. It also reduces errors and stress levels because your brain can process more effectively, so you're free to move on to other important tasks. And when it comes to screens, size does matter. A 20-inch screen is shown to be more effective than a 24-inch screen for viewing spreadsheets. Other benefits include sharing information between applications or comparing charts, graphs, or other visual data. When using this feature in a wired fashion with an HDMI cable connection between screens, this is easily achieved through the basic functions of your computer. However, how do you achieve this in a wireless environment? If you are connected to your secondary screen with a Novo Connect wireless collaboration and presentation device, this feature is not only built in, it's readily available on the Desktop Streamer software user interface. You'll find it located under the left drop-down arrow. How do you get started? First, click the Extend desktop icon, which looks like a dual screen option. If you're unsure, you'll notice how the icon is identified with a name when you hover over it. When you click it, you'll see a switching please wait notification. Seconds later, you'll see a blank desktop image on your secondary screen. Next, choose the program or document you wish to view on that screen. In this case, I've chosen a graph. Once you've chosen your document, you can then click and drag the document off your computer screen and place it on your secondary display screen. Here's an example of what this looks like. Select and drag the document over. Remember, you can resize at any point. To return the document to your computer, slide your cursor across to the monitor area. Select your document and drag it back to your computer screen. If you're in video playback mode, as I am now, you can reduce the latency of your mouse by switching your projection mode to presentation mode. Please note that in presentation mode, your wireless presentations will not produce sound, which may affect any video playback. For more information and tutorial videos on our Novo Connect wireless collaboration and presentation solution, please visit www.vivitechusa.com/product detail/NovoPro.